zone.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about a crazy trick which will make you install and use the paid apps on Google Play Store. So let's go to Google Play Store. So generally Google Play Store provides many apps for free, but there are still many more apps which are paid. So I'm going to tell you about the trick on how to get those paid apps for free. So if you search for paid apps and go to some app, I have chosen ES5 Explorer. So it is of cost of $2.99. So click on that, accept, and in Indian currency it is of 190 rupees. So click on continue, and there are three payment options: pay by PayPal or pay by adding debit or credit card. So I'm going to show on how to get the redeem code for paying to these apps in Google Play Store. So you need to enter a code here so that you can buy this app for free. So how to do that? To do that, go to Play Store and search for WAF Rewards app and install this app. After installing this, open the app. I have already installed in my mobile. So you can see out here various payout options like pay for Flipkart gift card, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Stream Wallet, Google Play gift card. So to get this Google Play gift card of minimum $11, this indicates that you can redeem this gift card only when your income reaches $11. Presently I am having $0.3. So here are the ways to get. So just do some chunk on this app like mission complete, play this and get $0.1, installation rewards, daily play, some etc things. And apart from this, you will be having another option to get the money into your account from this app by referring your friends, invite friends. So you can send invites to various options. This is the best way to earn the money through this app. After redeeming your rewards, your gift codes will be shown here. Things you can get paid apps for free on Google Play Store. I am attaching the referral code which you need to use while installing application. You need to enter a referral code. I am mentioning this referral code in my description. Please use that referral code so that you will be created with $0.3. That's it guys, so simple. And even you will be having many other payout options: Bliss card, Minecraft gift card, PayPal. So utilize this app and get your rewards into your app and enjoy the coupons. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.